10 years, we saw how strong their love was for each other. And it come to the point na alam ko marami silang na-sacrifice, maraming struggles, but still the love is there. Kaya andito tayo ngayon.
So nung nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng opportunity siya dito, mas pinili niya dito dahil sabi niya, nandito ako.
To the clouds, 'cause I know my heart belongs to you. And the air I'm breathing in is the hope I'm living in, 'cause I know one day I'll be with you. All I can see, let it fade, let it slip away, let it go.
Nung una ko siyang nakita, medyo maangas kasi siya. Tapos, matyaga siya, malambing. Thank you for dreaming my dream. I love you.
Family-oriented siya. At kung nakita kung gano'n niya kamahal yung family niya, aalagaan kita, mamahalin, at di pababayaan hanggang nabubuhay tayong dalawa.
I can see, I believe you have my heart, you have my heart, my everything, my only need. You have my heart, you have my
Magkakasundo, pero still, kailangan nyo pa rin piliin yung isa't isa. Keep in mind that as you begin this new chapter, to always consider that. Pero sa simula pa lang, sigurado na ako na ito ang makasama ko habang buhay.
Makapaging ka habang buhay, wala nang iba. Mahal na mahal kita, Erica.
to the clouds, 'cause I know my heart belongs to you.